Have you ever seen a movie or a play where a bit part actor comes on and absolutely steals the scene? You could arguably trace that back to Konstantin Stanislavski, who's regarded as the most influential person in the history of modern acting. He's considered the father of realistic performances. And his most famous quote was, "There are no small parts, only small actors." At the World Cup in Qatar, after every match featuring Japan, the Japanese fans would clean up the stands, and the Japanese team would leave their locker room absolutely immaculate, with little thank you notes in Arabic and Japanese. In Europe, there's a guy that goes by the name MMM, aka the pavement surgeon, and he goes around looking for potholes, which he then patches with little mosaics that fit the cracked section. It's brilliant. And then there's Adi Somek and Charlie Eckert, who have traveled the world making balloon hats for people and then recording the joy they bring to everybody. And it's so much fun. They've done TED Talks on it. Now, cleaning up locker rooms and decorating potholes and making balloon hats for strangers, none of these things are big things. They're just people being cool and generous and leaving things better than they found them. Now, on the job and at school and out in the world, doing nice things for people maybe isn't considered a big deal. But the saying goes that all the world is a stage, and there are no small parts, only small actors.